Question number 26. The sun is a dash. In the options, planet, element, asteroid, star. And the right one is option D, star. The star refers to all the existing stars. The sun is one of these stars. Question number 27. The highest percentage of fat is present in which organ of fish? In the options, meat, brain, skeleton, vessels. And the right one is option B, brain. The highest percentage of fat in a fish is present in the brain. Question number 28. What is the process of artificial rain? In the options, cloud bearing, cloud seeding, both A and B, none of the above. And the right one is option B, cloud seeding. Cloud seeding is also referred as man-made precipitation and artificial rain making. Question number 29. The objective resolution was passed on March 12th dash. In the options, 1951, 1956, 1949, none of the above. And the right one is option C, 1949. The objective resolution was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of Pakistan on March 12, 1949. Question number 30. The famous Hiran Minar is located at. In the options, Ziyarat, Banu, Sheikhupura, Thatta. And the right one is option C, Sheikhupura. Hiran Minar is located in Sheikhupura, Punjab. It was built during the reign of Mughal Emperor Jahangir. Question number 31. The first nuclear power plant in Pakistan was established at. In the options, Mianwali, Islamabad, Peshawar, Karachi. And the right one is option D, Karachi. On 28 November 1972, the country's first nuclear power plant, the Karachi Nuclear Power Plant, was commissioned and went online with nation's electric grid system. Question number 32. Khanjrab Pass situated in which range? In the options, Karakoram, Himalayas, Hindu Kush, none of the above. And the right one is option A, Karakoram. Khanjrab Pass is situated in the Karakoram range at the border of Pakistan and China in Gilgit-Baltistan region of Pakistan. Question number 33. River Dash flows between Pakistan and India as a trans-boundary river. In the options, Chenab, Ravi, Jhelum, Indus. And the right one is option B, Ravi. The Ravi River is a trans-boundary river crossing northwestern India and eastern Pakistan. Question number 34. Which of the following is a landlocked country? In the options, Iran, Japan, Tajikistan, Pakistan. And the right one is option C, Tajikistan. Question number 35. How many divisions are there in Sindh province? In the options, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the right one is option D, 7 divisions, including Karachi, Hyderabad, Sakkar, Mirpur Khas, Ladkhana, Shahid Benazirabad, and Bambor division. Question number 36. Through Gwadar Port, Dash can be monitored. In the options, Strait of Singapore, Strait of Oman, Red Sea, Strait of Hormuz. And the right one is option D, Strait of Hormuz. Through Gwadar Port, the Strait of Hormuz can be monitored. This strategic checkpoint is crucial for international maritime trade. Question number 37. Wakhan, a narrow strip of Afghanistan, separates Pakistan from Daesh. In the options, Azerbaijan, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan. And the right one is option B, Tajikistan. A narrow strip of Afghanistan territory called the Wakhan Corridor extends Pakistan and Tajikistan. Question number 38. Pakistan's standard time is how many hours ahead of GMT? In the options, +5 hours, -5 hours, +1 hour, -1 hour. And the right one is option A, +5 hours. Pakistan Standard Time is +5 hours ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. Question number 39. Which of the following prayers does not include Azan? In the options, Eid prayer, Fajr prayer, Janaza prayer, both A and C. And the right one is option D, both A and C. Question number 40. Which vitamin is called the anti-aging agent? In the options, vitamin C, vitamin B, vitamin A, vitamin D. And the right one is option A, vitamin C. Question number 41. How much prize money was won by Australia for winning the Cricket World Cup of 2023? In the options, $4 million, $3 million, $2 million, $1.8 million. And the right answer of this question is option A, $4 million. Australia, the winner, took home $4 million and the runner-up India took $2 million. Question number 42. Special theory of relativity was given by? In the options, Newton, Albert Einstein, Darwin, none of the above. And the right answer of this question is option B, Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein originally proposed this theory in the year 1905 on the electrodynamics of moving bodies. Question number 43. Running water is required for breeding of dash. In the options, grass crab, silverfish, common crab, tilapia. And the right one is option A, grass crab. Grass crab requires running water for breeding. Question number 44. Which port city had the largest explosion in 2020? In the options, Tripoli, Tel Aviv, Gaza, Beirut. And the right one is option D, Beirut. On 4th August 2020, one of the largest non-nuclear explosions in history pulverized a Beirut port and damaged more than half of city. Question number 45. Urine is produced in dash. In the options, kidney, pancreas, spleen, gallbladder. And the right one is option A, kidney. The kidneys are the part of the urinary tract that makes urine. Question number 46. National fish of Pakistan is dash. In the options, Masir, flounder, hawkfish, all of these? And the right one is option A, Masir. The golden Masir or the Himalayan Masir is the official national fish of Pakistan. Question number 47. Dash is the term used for breeding of fish, specially constructed tanks and ponds. In the options, horticulture, agriculture, pisciculture, none of the above. And the right one is option C, pisciculture. Question number 48. Which planet is also known as winter planet? In the options, Mercury, Earth, Jupiter, Uranus. And the right one is option C, Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system and is also known as winter planet as its average temperature is very low. Question number 49. Kartarpur connects Indian border with Dash. And the options, Dera Baba Nanak, Batala, Gurdaspur, Amritsar. And the right one is option A, Dera Baba Nanak. Question number 50. Marco Polo was a famous Dash traveler. In the options, Russian, French, Italian, Spanish. And the right one is option C, Italian traveler.